message issued to the students at Springwood High Schools. Some of those kids may be sitting for their HSC today. All the attention up until now has been in the Wyong area, with the areas of Catherine's Hill Bay, Margaret Beach, Nords, Wharf being under pressure. We've seen those reports from Chris Marr. This new report from Springwood at this stage is very early on, but it is an emergency situation and they are rushing to deal with it.
So what other areas are of most concern today?
Wyong has been downgraded at this stage to a watch and act and has been replaced as an emergency situation by that fire in Springwood. Keeping a close eye on that, as we have heard from Deputy Commissioner Rob Rogers all day today. While the weather conditions have eased, these fires are still a major concern, and they're actually being driven by the terrain itself. So we're not out of the woods by any stretch yet, but the Wyong fire, the fires in the central coast of New South Wales are certainly causing a major headache. And now there's fire battling in the mountains around Springwood and Falcon Beach.
What sort of warnings are you hearing from there, David, about residents simply letting go home and other people keeping away from the area?
Most people are being told to stay away from that area. We have got a property warning. People are being told that there is a fire. We've been told that the students have been told to stay in shelter and wait and be warned if they need an evacuation. And we do have the strike teams rushing to those areas around Springwood to get a better idea of what they're facing throughout the afternoon.
I don't think that we can imagine the ferocity of the fire. Unless you've ever been close to one, or imagine the devastation that it can cause. So we really need to listen to these warnings.
We certainly do. Having been through them many years ago at Ash Wednesday, you really do need those warnings.
David Richardson, North Fire Service Headquarters, thank you for the update. Well, there are remarkable stories emerging of people who escaped as the firestorm approached their homes. Live to 7 News reporter Ashley Brown in the Upper Blue Mountains. Ashley, you're meeting some of the locals there.
Yeah, that's right, Anne. And what is surprising, though, is the police that are just behind me here on Mount Victoria, they're talking to locals, but they actually told me that they're on patrol looking for looters. So it's pretty sad that in a time like this, that's just one of their focuses here today. But as you did say, I have been speaking to other residents who've told us how frightening it was to get out of here yesterday. One resident said that as she was reversing out of her driveway with her elderly neighbour, that she realised that the entire road was on fire, and it was the police who had to come and rescue them and get them out of here safely. Just one of many stories, and on this street alone, 7 homes have been destroyed. But also many more have been saved. So there's mixed emotions here on the ground here this morning.
And actually, police must also be concerned. The buildings are still unstable, the trees are unstable. There could be some terrible accidents ahead if people aren't very, very careful.
Yeah, that's it. They're just asking people, unless you need to be out and checking on your home, then really just stay away. It is, as I said, unstable. There's power lines down, and emergency services right now simply focus on those fires and spot fires that are popping up around this area. We're in the Upper Blue Mountains, and yeah, I mean, a chopper just went over before, water bombing a particular area. So with those spot fires, that's their focus at the moment. So they really don't need anyone else getting hurt in this emergency. They're just asking people, to stay away if you can.
And hard to believe that there are looters in the area. Gosh, people haven't got enough to go through. Are some people managing to salvage anything out of their homes?
Yeah, one home had a lot of smoke damage, but their animals were okay. So really, and they were okay. So I guess really that's all they're happy about is this morning that people in this area got out with their lives. So really, they have, in their eyes, they don't have that much to complain about.
Yeah, Ashley Brown, thank you very much. In the Blue Mountains, dozens of residents are returning to find their homes and everything in them destroyed. We'll cross line now to Jodie Spears at Winmalee. Jodie, are there any concerns that lives may have been lost in the area that we don't know about?
Yes, and there are reports that lives may have been lost at Yellow Rock, which is about 2 kilometres from where I am here at Munmorah. It's an area that's quite difficult to access, so the boats are having trouble getting some firm answers there. I've been speaking to a couple of people here this morning who are from Yellow Rock who weren't able to get to their homes, so it is still quite a volatile situation there. A crime scene has been set up, that's what we've been told, and those looking into that. We're told that some emergency services personnel last night were mentioning to local residents that that there may have been some people who lost their lives there. So we're hoping for the best, but that is being looked into at the moment.
Yeah, very, very concerning. New South Wales Premier Barry O'Farrell is there this afternoon.
He is there, and he's coming to see the scales of devastation for himself. And I think that's only really when you see what's happened here and you see the people grieving that the scale of the sadness of all of this really sinks in. I've just been watching